Hello, welcome to our channel. On today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Zoosk account. So Zoosk is one of the most popular online dating website of these days. So as they claim, they do have like more than 40 million singles. So let's get started and check it out how you can sign into Zoosk account. So open a web browser and on new tab type zoosk.com, or you can simply search for the domain as well. All right, so this is the home page of Zoosk, right? All right, so in order to log in, just on the right side, here's the login button. Click on that. All right, this new window just popped up, and on the top, I can put my name or username or email, and then you have to put your password. So here you have to put your username or email, and then put your password and click login. So that's how you can log into your Zoosk account. So using your username and password. And if you do have other option as well, such as you can go ahead with Facebook and Google as well. It's not necessary to create account just for the Zoosk. Even you can sign in with using Facebook and Google as well. So open zoosk.com on your web browser, and on the top right click login, put your username, put your password, and hit the enter. So that's how you can log into your Zoosk account. Thank you so much for watching.